Hi, this is Dr. Nicole Juntz, one of the chiropractors here at Rockville Medical and Disc Center. People often ask me, what is the sound that is made during a chiropractic adjustment? And all it is just gas escaping from the joint. If you imagine that you have a suction cup on a window and you pull it off, it's going to make a noise when the gas escapes. It's the same thing that's happening in your joints when you get adjusted. And then the other thing that you might want to know is that you could have an adjustment, you could get a great adjustment, and it might not make that noise. If you slowly pull a suction cup off of the window, it's not going to make any noise. It could be the same kind of thing when you get adjusted. If you have any other questions about that, we would love to talk to you. Please feel free to give us a call at Rockville Medical and Disc Center. You see the number below, or visit us